What?
What?
You finally did it to yourself. I mean, good luck turning the car. I mean, they're going to be happy as pigs in shit to see you. How could you rent the thing anyway without a credit card? I mean, you couldn't. I mean, how could you do it?
Oh, I gave this gal behind the counter a set of shower curtain rings. Can't rent a car with shower curtain rings, though. Well, somehow your Diners Club card wound up in my wallet, and I just...
You stole it!
Not exactly.
You stole
No, I swear on my life I
knew
did.
you stole it!
I did not steal
stole
your
my
card!
And then you
I
rented a
didn't.
car, and then you burned it
I
up!
did not! I found it in my
I
wallet!
knew you stole it!
I thought you put it there!
Why would I put it there?
Kindness?
Kindness! Kindness! You stole it! He stole it!
No, I didn't! No, I didn't. I was going to send it back to you with whatever the rental car charge was, plus interest. But you didn't give me your address. What was I supposed to do? You just ditched me. I had no money, I had no cards, I had nothing.
Give it back!
I can't!
Why not?
Because
Because why?
when we stopped the gas up, I put the card back in your wallet. Are you mad at me?